when a mommy and a daddy, just baseline, every family is different. Just an example. This is just an example. We're just establishing a place to start. Okay? Yeah, so the daddy will take his, his outside part and he'll put it in the mommy's inside part and baseline. This is just a baseline. This is just one scenario, okay? And the daddy will he'll sort of pump it up and down, and the mommy will the mommy will not really feel all that much.
I'm free! I'm free! I'm free!
Oh, that's how babies are born.
Just like as a baseline. We're just setting a baseline.